So the national coverage determination that came out of CMS in March of 2018 gave us some guidance around how CMS would cover next generation sequencing for patients with advanced solid cancers who really require insight into a treatment decision. And that's helpful. It's helpful to set a path that FDA approval is a good way to move forward for some of these diagnostic platforms. It's helpful to have a clear indication of where this is most useful in patients with solid cancers that really need to think about what their next treatments are. So those tests aren't just nice to have, but they're actionable. So we know that money spent on those tests is likely to be useful in directing therapeutic decisions. So all of those changes, I think, are favorable and give us guidance around an environment where we have more and more therapies with molecular indications, and during a time that the cost is really disrupted for molecular phenotyping. What I think still needs to happen is we need to have analytic infrastructures, information structures to capture and curate this information more comprehensively, to identify in a systematic fashion candidates for clinical trial accrual and therapeutic intervention.